Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn Optometry. Today we are going to learn something that every optometrist and optician should know: anti-reflection coating, also called as AR coating, what it is, how it works, its benefits, and how to take care of it. So let's get started. When light hits any lens surface, three things happen: transmission, some light passes through the lens; refraction, direction of the light changes; reflection, some light bounces back. Reflection causes waste of useful light. Uncoated plastic lens transmits about 92% of the light and 8% is lost as reflections. Why does reflection happen? Reflection happens because of refractive index mismatch. Air has refractive index of 1 and lenses have refractive indices from 1.50 to 1.74. The bigger the difference, the stronger the reflection. These reflections can be from the front surface, back surface, or internal reflection. These unwanted reflections causes glare, especially during night driving and when using digital screens. It also causes decrease in contrast, ghost images, and also cosmetically not appealing as your eye looks less visible due to these reflections. To solve this, we apply a thin special coating on lenses called anti-reflective or anti-glare coating. AR coating is a multi-layer coating on the lens surface that reduces reflection and increases the light transmission. So, more light enters the eye and the vision becomes clearer. If reflections are reduced from 8% to less than 1%, then 99% of light gets transmitted, which gives sharper and clearer vision. Light is a wave. A wave has a crest and a trough. What happens when two light waves meet? If the crest meets crest, brightness increases and that is called constructive interference. If crest meet trough, they cancel and that is called destructive interference. AR coating uses destructive interference to reduce reflection. Let's see how it. When coating is applied, there are two reflection points. Number 1, air and coating surface. Number 2, coating and lens surface. This produces two reflected waves, wave A and wave B. Wave A is from the top of the coating, wave B from the bottom of the coating. Because wave B travels deeper, it returns later, giving a delay between A and B. The coating thickness is carefully chosen so that wave A comes back normally and wave B comes back slightly delayed. Because one reflection returns a little later, both reflections do not match. The coating is made in such a way that these two reflections fight each other, they are out of sync. When they meet, one reflection tries to go up and the other tries to go down. This makes them cancel each other. So one wave comes out like a peak and the other wave comes out like a trough. When a peak meets a trough, they cancel out. Hence, there happens destructive interference. Why is AR coating recommended? It reduces disturbing reflections. It is excellent for night driving because headlights causes stronger reflections from the lens surface. If that is reduced, we will have lesser glare and better contrast, which results in safer driving. ARC gives less glare from screens. It improves cosmetic appearance as our eyes are more visible. It gives better contrast sensitivity. It reduces eye strain. These advantages make it a must for every spectacle user to have ARC. ARC is a multi-layer coating. Each layer targets different wavelengths of light. One layer cancels only a small portion, whereas 5 to 9 layers cancel reflection across broad spectrum. Some premium brands with good ARC includes Crizal from Residual, Zeiss Duravision, Hoya High Vision, Rodenstock Solitaire Protect, and Nikon C-Coat. How to identify AR coated lenses? AR coated lenses usually show a green or purple residual tint when viewed under light at an angle. But why we have that color? When reflections are reduced for most wavelengths, some leftover reflection still remains from a specific wavelength range. This leftover reflections gives the coating a residual color. So the green or purple tint is actually the small amount of reflection left after the coating does its job. So residual color is a proof that ARC is working. Care and maintenance of AR coated lenses. Use only a microfiber cloth. Using shirts, tissues or towel can scratch the coating. Never wipe the lenses when it is dry. Always rinse with water or use lens spray first. Avoid household cleaners like alcohol, sanitizer, glass cleaners or detergents. Keep it away from the heat. Don't leave glasses on car dashboards, stoves or exposed to hot air. Always store it in the spectacle lens case. Don't keep them in pockets or bags without protection. Clean it properly. Always handle by frame, not lenses. This helps in avoiding fingerprints, oils and makeup smudges. I hope you learned the basics of ARC. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Let's Learn Optometry for more optometry, eye care and dispensing videos. Thank you.